What's the meaning of cruise control? Cruise control. Cruise control.
Cruise control. Cruise control. Cruise control is a system in automobiles that allows the vehicle to maintain a constant speed without the need for the driver to continuously press the accelerator pedal. Once the driver sets the desired speed, the system uses sensors to monitor the vehicle's speed and adjust the throttle as necessary to maintain a constant speed. This feature can be especially useful on long highway trips and can also help improve fuel efficiency. Overall, cruise control provides a more relaxing driving experience and reduces the need for constant adjustment of the accelerator pedal.